cookies, crunchy and fine. D is for donuts in a line. E is for eclairs with chocolate top. F is for fudge that never stops. G is for gingerbread ready to bake. H is for honey in your cake. I is for ice cream, cold and yummy. J is for jam on toast for my tummy. K is for kisses, chocolate delight. L is for lemon bars, oh what a bite. M is for muffins, blueberry treat. N is for nuts to top the sweet. O is for oatmeal in a jar. P is for pancakes, best by far. Q is for quiche, fancy and neat. R is for rolls, warm and sweet. S is for sugar, T is for tart. U is for upside down cake with heart. V is for Villa, smooth and true. W is for waffles just for you. X marks the box for surprise dessert. Y for yogurt with sprinkles and squirt. Z is for zucchini bread so cool. Now sing the alphabet bakery rule.